Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I got a special package just at my door like 2 minutes ago. Picked up my camera and decided to make a video on this. I think it's pretty cool. I'm super stoked to unbox this and show you guys what it is. It's for the speed obviously, and many of you can probably guess it's for, probably by the title of this video you already know it's for my air system, my airlift suspension. So yeah, let's jump right into it. I already have it half open here, kinda. Didn't cut the top. Trusty blade. Doing this with my wrong hand. Boom. Oh man, that is a nice sight. So I think this is pretty well the main box. Set this over here. Actually, there is another box in here. Okay. This is water trap drain hose. Here is the wiring harness. Now this is going to be interesting to install. I'm not going to unravel this right here, right now, just because it's long as hell. It's that. And my air hose, my 1/4-inch air hose that they didn't bundle up for some reason. But that's 1/4-inch hose. I'll keep that in the box so it doesn't unravel. New water trap. I already have a water trap, but this one's brand new. And it's got all the fittings for, those must be for the tank fittings. Got a drain fitting here and possibly a fill. I guess this would be the fill, not too sure on that, but anyway, that's that. Just some fittings and some other little bits. Sleeve. So here it is, designed for life on air. There's the motto. Right off the bat, we get this pamphlet, or this little package of the, I guess, instructions, stickers, thank you letter, all that good stuff. So I won't get right into that with you guys. I'll just brief that on my own, really. Start with this box. Hose cutters, which I've been told that these are very necessary for cutting nice straight lines in your hose. I was planning on just using an X-Acto knife and slicing it as straight as I could, but since they sent this little tool, I'm definitely going to be using that. And the rest of it is just zip ties, the USB cord for the controller by the looks of it, the add a fuse, that's great, and just some other little bits, some extra fuses. So yeah, that's all the extra little bits in this, plus the hose cutter. They do a really nice job packaging this, just for presentation. Like, this is all just empty box, just to prop up the little box for what I'm assuming is the controller. It's got some weight to it. Can't wait to open that. I'll do that at the end. Anyway, here is the, this also has some weight to it. Guess there's nothing else really in here. Here it is, the heart and soul of the whole entire project. It's bigger than I thought, really. Beautiful piece. Wow. That is super nice. Really has some weight to it. And here's the controller, I'm assuming. I love unboxing this kind of stuff. Oh, damn, that's nice. That's just a nice product right there. What I do like about this, I think is a really smart idea. The USB cable itself, it's got a little gap for the wire there, and then the whole headpiece of the USB just snaps in place there when you plug it in. So I think that's really cool to keep it nice and flush whenever you have it hooked up. I'm not going to peel this yet. That will be the very last thing I do. This is super nice, really nice piece of technology. Feels great. Basically, feels like a, I don't know, an iPod Touch kind of, iPod Nano kind of feel. Yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I just wanted to make a quick unboxing on this package I just got in the mail minutes ago, and I just wanted to share with you guys because I really love unboxing stuff like this, and I cannot wait to install this on the car. I've got about a couple days, under a month, to get this car ready for the first car show of the year, which is in my hometown. Every year it's the first car show, and every year I procrastinate and I'm never ready. It's usually last minute, and this year I have a whole lot more work to do. So I really got to get on it. I have started some things, as you guys might have seen. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see a little bit more sneak peek into what I'm doing with the speed in the moment, really. I've been building a lot of things for the trunk, getting that ready for the trunk setup. But yeah, this has been the missing piece to the puzzle. It's been lost in the mail, actually, for about a week. They weren't delivering it to me, so I finally got it. And yeah, like I said, the missing piece to the puzzle, and I can finally get this friggin' build done and start driving my speed again. But yeah, that's gonna end this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing of my 3P airlift system, management, and all the little accessories with it. It's always fun in unboxing car parts, and I like showing you guys too. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.